Another day in the stock market with another red day for Tesla stock, guys. And this is crazy considering, at least now at 1:30 p.m. on the East Coast, all the indexes in the U.S. are green. So in this video, we're going to break down, of course, Tesla stock. We're going to go over the overall markets, which again, the indexes are all in the green right now. And we're going to go over some other stocks. So sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe. And do not forget, guys, to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Which, mind you guys, this is a limited time holiday promo. All you have to do is use that link down below, deposit at least $100, and boom, you get again up to 20 stocks, each up to $2,000. And all those links down below, guys, full disclosure, help out the channel. And with that being said, let's dive into the video. So before we actually get into Tesla stock, which is down 0.75% right now, and it's actually seeing a little bit of an intraday rally. It's pushing $160 when earlier it was at $155. Before we dive into that, let's take a look at SPY, Triple Q, and see what's going on with the overall market. So right now, SPY, if I pull it up, is up about 0.6%, a little bit over that actually, about $2.50 per share, and it's pushing over 404, almost at $405 a share when I'm filming this video. And you guys can see we rallied a lot of, the morning. Pretty much all morning we rallied up until about 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast. Then we started to pull back a bit. And the fact that we're seeing buyers coming in on the intraday right here after that pullback, and we're actually breaking back over the moving averages, this is a very good sign for the bulls. Now, it looks like we're going to go and test the intraday high being about 405-ish, a little bit over that. Now, if that were to break, even better. That would be even better for the bulls. And pulling up the 5-day chart, you guys can see the highs from yesterday were right around, well, of course, 4:14 in the morning in the pre-market, right? And you can see at the end of the day, we hit about 403. So we're actually well above those highs from, right before close yesterday. And to me, call me crazy, but on this 5-day, 15-minute chart, looks like the uptrend's continuing on SPY, and I think it's the same thing here on Triple Q. Let me pull it up. Yeah, same thing here on Triple Q. You guys can see we're breaking out of the highs from not pre-market yesterday, which were over $300, but the highs from the end of the day, which were right around 289, 290. We're creeping above those highs right now. That's on the 5-day, 15-minute. And on the intraday chart, you guys can see that, boom, we are continuing the uptrend. Now we're back over the moving averages. So this is a very good sign in the short term for the bulls. And in 20 minutes from now, 20 minutes after me filming this video, we are getting the FOMC statement. And an hour from now, we're going to get the press conference. So I'm going to be doing another video on that later tonight. So make sure you guys subscribe. And of course, that is going to fluctuate the markets. And in my opinion, I feel like, this is my prediction, I could be wrong, but right now, I think we could be seeing more green. We'll see. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but bold prediction of the day. I think Powell's going to come in a little bit dovish. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. But I think he will, which could send markets higher. We shall see. Let me know your thoughts. As always, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's pull up Tesla stock. Tesla stock is currently, like I said, down about 0.75% roughly. It is at almost $60 a share now. But earlier in the day, guys, it was at $155 at its low. Pretty much, actually more like 156, but it did fall under a little bit under $156. And you can see here that officially puts us under the highs, or lows rather, from yesterday. The lows from yesterday were $157. And even though we have a green day today, stocks are doing well in general, Tesla continues to go down. And the fact that we took the lows out from yesterday, that goes to show how much of a grip the bears have on the stock. It is unbelievable. And if I were to guess, unless something crazy happens, we're going to fail here. That's my prediction. In the very short term, I feel like we could fail here. We're at a lower high right now, and it does not look like we want to break out quite yet. We might, who the heck knows, but right now, still clearly in this downtrend on the intraday chart on Tesla, 5-day, 5-minute chart, clear as day, downtrend, and of course, obviously, the 4-hour chart, which you can see the overall downtrend on Tesla. So I made a video a couple of weeks ago, not even a couple of weeks ago, probably like 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago maybe, saying Tesla to $150 a share. I think that was the title, Tesla to 150. here we are. I mean, well, now it's breaking over 160, but we were in the mid 150s earlier today, and I feel like there could be some more work to be done on the downside here. And you guys know the overall head and shoulders that we've been talking about on the 3-year chart. That is clear as day, right? Oops, I just butchered that. But you guys get the point, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and now just recently, past couple of days, we've been falling under these moving averages, well, the main 180 moving average on this 3-year chart. So that is not good at all for Tesla. And I think, honestly, guys, if we break 150, 120, 30, that could be where this could be going based on what I'm seeing here, on this chart, which would be levels that the stock hasn't been at since July, August, September, not of this year, but of 2020. So we're talking over 2 years ago at this point in time. So Tesla's not looking good. It's down again. We're taking the lows out from yesterday. That's been what we've been seeing, and it does not look like the bears want to let up. The bears are here, and the bulls are really nowhere to be found on this one, guys. So, yeah, those are some thoughts quickly on Tesla. And in terms of some other movers, let's switch gears a little bit here. SoFi is up about 9% right now, 8.5%, more like 8.5%. It is just under $5 a share, right around $4.80 right now when I'm filming. And you guys can see, just like Tesla, SoFi is still in a downtrend, despite the fact that it's having a green day today. It's still under the 180 moving average. You guys can see on the 4-hour chart, we're still under the highs rather from the beginning of this month, being about $4.90, $5. Now, if SoFi starts breaking $5, which is right by the 180 SMA, if we start making a move towards the highs, let's say from middle November, where you guys can see we kind of double top there in November at about 640-ish, right? If we start making a move past 5 towards that 640, 50 level, that could be a reversal. That could be where a legitimate reversal occurs, especially at $7. But truth is, guys, we're just nowhere near that point. And we'll see if we get there. We'll see. I mean, I'll set my alert. I already have one at $7. I'll put another one right now at $5, which is about 21 cents away from where this is right now. So mark is at or above $5 here on SoFi. Let's see what ends up happening on this one moving forward. Snapchat's also moving up on the day, guys, a little bit over 5%, and it's been pretty flat over the past couple of months. I mean, there's been volatility, but really it's been in a window between $9.50 to about $10-ish, $11. Now it's looking like it's going to test the moving averages again, right around $10. So we'll see what it does there. I'll set my alert at $10. Mark is at or above. And we'll see here on Snapchat. Meta's up another 2.5%. Very nice move for Meta. It looks like it's about to break $125 a share. And we have an ascending triangle here on Meta, as you guys can see. If I zoom in a little bit, if it wants to let me do it, there we go. We have an ascending triangle, resistance at 125. If this breaks on Meta, we might fill the gap towards, in my eyes, 135, 140 in the short term, and who knows where it could go from there. And mind you, at this point, we're in bear trap territory on the stock, no doubt about it. I mean, look, clearly still on a downtrend, but if 125, 30, 35, 40, 45 starts to break, that's where a legitimate reversal could be coming. But I am skeptical, considering we are in a bear market, guys. And at this point, this could easily be a bear market rally in the overall stock market, which, if it is, obviously Meta is going to get clapped down as well if stocks end up selling off, maybe at some point, in the future. Who knows? But again, my prediction here for today, with Powell speaking, we're going to get that pretty soon here. I think stocks could rally. That's my take in the very, very short term. But who knows? A couple weeks down the line, who knows what's going to be coming, which could send the stock market lower. I mean, anything could happen, right? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap the video up. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the Stas Talk Stocks channel. And if you want another channel by me, your boy Stas here, Stas Talks Money, make sure to subscribe to that as well. That's linked down below. And do not forget to get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo, which is a limited time promo. All you got to do is use that link down below, deposit at least $100. And again, you get up to 20 stocks, each up to $2,000. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.